Okay, Breakfast in America, Supertramp. Now you got to tell me why you love the song. Come on.
Oh gosh, it was when I was 16 or 17 or something, and close enough. And that's when I got introduced to Supertramp, and I was sort of being this rebellious teenager. So it's all about those memories and those times, and it is, it's not this song particular. I love this song, but it's Supertramp. All of Supertramp, I love.
Lovely. Okay, now as far as Mumbai local is concerned, what are your main venues in terms of days and the immediate future? What can we look forward to?
At the moment, we have 4 venues, and our entire existence depends on collaboration and partnerships, right? So each venue has come on as a partner, and they've seen the value of what we're doing, and they want this to happen at their space. So we have, for instance, 4 venues right now. We're in Bandra at this gorgeous little library called M Cubed Library on the first Saturday of every month. We're at the Bhaudaji Lad Museum in Baikala, and we're there on the second Saturday of every month. We're at Kitab Khana at Fort, the beautiful bookshop. We're there the third Friday of every month. And at Somaya Vidya Vihar School on the fourth Friday of every month. So if you just happen to be in the locality on the fourth Friday or the third Friday or the second Sunday or the first Saturday, you can go in the evening around 5:30 and get to meet the most amazing artists. And the next artist we have is tomorrow. We have Naresh Fernandez, you've also read his gorgeous
it's a lovely, sweet, breezy read, and he's talked about Bombay, and what a book that is.
It's totally delicious. And that's so he's going to talk tomorrow. In fact, his talk is about listening to cities. It is about this city, and it's about his. He's done some amazing work with music in this city, and the music that this city has thrown up over the ages. And Naresh has he's filled with so many stories, and he's got such a lovely way of sharing these stories. So tomorrow at Somaya School, Vidya Vihar, at 5:30. And all these talks are open and free to everybody.
Yeah, and you can just walk in. Lovely.
Yeah, and the next one we have is Makran Deshpande, talking about his wonderful approach to theatre.
Never a dull moment when Mac's around.
That's on the 5th of April. You can always actually email us at our website and book your seat, and then you can make sure that you have a space to actually sit.
And just like Prithvi, they start on time. Remember that. Okay, the Radhika question. Ask the lovely Sanjana, how do adults learn drama that late in life? What if I want to learn the trade with my almost teen daughter? That's an interesting question. Stuff like that still happens in Prithvi? Where a mother toddler come in together and learn and things like that,
Well, the one thing that we are doing is we at Junoon we also are we have in the last 2 years done our summer program. We're in the process of redesigning our summer program completely, which is going to be a year-long program again, and we're going to announce this in December this year. It's going to start next year, which is a program where we do have this immersive experience of engaging with the workshop processes for children aged 6 to 16 and parents, because we've been promising parents this forever, and now we're really going to design some delicious engagements with the performing arts for parents. All these are not to make you professional artists, but they are to really give you an insight into your own creativity and then to be able to appreciate art better. And that's what we are doing, but next year.
Lovely. It's 9:40 in the morning. Messages and back with Sanjana Kapoor. Like I said, use those social networking platforms. Just search for HRISHIKAY on Facebook or Twitter, and you can tweet out or post out, and one space your comment and name to 53650. We'll bring it up. Hang around.
94.3 Radio 1.
Suzanne Vega, Lisa Loeb, they all started as folk singers in New York City and then moved into mainstream pop. This is I Do. There's another one by Lisa Loeb called Stay that you should pick up if you're into buying music or listening to music. 9:49 in the morning. The wonderful Sanjana Kapoor is in conversation with me.
This is Good Morning Mumbai, and you're with Rishi K.
Radio 1.
I love this conversation you and me were having off the mic. We got to bring it onto the mic about eventually, and not so far in the future, Mumbai Local and Junoon using gardens, for example. Talk a little bit about that.
So the dream, the ultimate dream with Mumbai Local is that we seed these engagements across the city in every single neighborhood. So we actually need to be physically in every ward. Hopefully another 3 years, we're there. 5 years, we're there for sure. With these small, intimate, conversational programs that we're running right now, we're going to spread that in more venues, but we're also going to go into gardens. And the idea is to really take the arts and performing arts out into public spaces, on a large scale, where we move into a garden, whether it's a garden in Borivali or a garden in Ghatkopar or Horniman Circle Garden, and we allow you to just immerse yourself in a completely relaxed environment, not in a frenzy of a festival or the hype of a festival, but in a very calm, relaxed way. Embrace the arts. So you can hang out on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, one weekend every month. Bring your daughter, bring your grandmother, bring your mother, or bring your lover, or just come alone and just be in a garden where you can either just sit, listen to some music, paint a mural, create a piece of art, see a performance, see an amateur performance, somebody from the neighborhood actually performing, and then in the evening at night, at 8 o'clock or so, watch a professional performance, which just blows your mind away. This will be completely open and free. And this
Beautiful.
is essential, I think, especially in a crazy city like Mumbai, where we're just all bursting at the seams, and the chaos and the frenzy of our lives is really disruptive. We need these calm, soothing spaces, and the arts can do that.
That's why you're the last of the Mohicans. Really, you are. Sanjana Kapoor. Awesome that you're bringing back all of this. And I mean, an elementary thing. You go to the UK and you go to Hyde Park and you see this place called Speaker's Corner. Somebody can just, get up on a stool and speak his mind.
Yeah.
And it's a public garden, for heaven's sake. And why can't we have that in Mumbai? We have such interesting minds, more interesting, and I'm sure there are people who have thought of it, but you've really put.
But you've also, in the West, you've also got the policy, the government. They enable these things, and here we need to come to that level where we actually are enablers. So you have Shakespeare in the Park, you have in New York as well. I mean, and that's what's shocking actually. That's what jolted me about 8 years ago when we were claiming to be this world-class city, Mumbai becoming the next Shanghai, and how can you be a world-class city if you ignore the arts? You cannot. It's central to the nature and the culture of your being. And so we can't wait for the government to do it. We have to try and do it ourselves. And really the parks part of our Mumbai local plan can only come alive if we have money. But what is really interesting is that the entire thing is coming together with partnerships and collaborations. And already with the Mumbai local as it is right now, we are asking people to be benefactors. We are asking people to commit to coming to 10 programs. We're asking people to volunteer and either at the venues or come to our office and volunteer later, transcribe talks or put them on video or various things. The way this is going to live and sustain itself is through this collaborative effort.
Okay,
and
for those who've just tuned in, if they want to be a benefactor, can they mail you somewhere?
Yes, Mumbai Local at junoontheatre.org, or they can check out more about us at www.junoontheatre.org and get to know about what we're all about, or come to our program tomorrow at
This beautiful
Somaya
song.
School.
At Somaya, that's Naresh Fernandez.
Yes.
All of you, his
Yes.
delightful character.
And his wonderful book, City Adrift, is ready to pick
I'm
up.
losing my religion.
Oh, wonderful!
You love this, don't you?
Love it.
Here we go. Up ahead, some messages, and then we're back with Sanjana Kapoor. You don't want to go anywhere. It's Losing My Religion by REM. Okay, just pretty much the last leg of my conversation with Sanjana Kapoor. We're talking Junoon, we're talking Mumbai Local. There is something for corporates. How have you structured that?
Well, everything we've thought about is about impacting our world, right? And getting people to value theatre and value the arts. And we can't ignore the corporate world. They're a sort of essential part of our being in our lives today. So we realize that there are wonderful, wonderful facets about theatre that can actually be incredible learning tools. And so we work with corporates, but we work with very few and very particular corporates who are ready to give us the time that we demand, because it is a really in-depth, immersive learning experience that we design for them according to what their needs are. But everything we do at Junoon is about building relationships. We're making friends out there, and that's essential to the world we want to see, because if we're out there sort of saying this is what we have and either you take it or you leave it, it's never going to work. And we really say this is our dream, this is what we have, and if you see value in this, then come on board and let's make it happen together. And for me, that's a huge shift in my working, in my understanding, for me personally. And it's really thrilling because it's a new way of approaching the world and approaching my own work. And it's astonishing the amount of people that come on board saying, yes, we need this makes sense, and let's do it. And they come forward with their time, with their expertise, we've got a whole bunch of partners on board. We have, for instance, already got, even with our programming of Mumbai Local, we have TIFR with the scientists, right? They give us their scientists and they design the science program. We have Shubha Mudgal, who's designing the
There's the
music
Tata
element.
Institute of Fundamental Research.
Yes. And Shubha Mudgal's on board with designing the musical element to the musicians who can talk at Mumbai Local.
She's lovely, isn't she?
She's divine.
Amazing.
And then we've got Encompass and Book My Show, who are our very solid partners.
What are you
who
saying?
really-
They're all mates of mine. Roshan, Ashish.
Yes,
lovely,
they're
lovely.
fabulous people. And
Great guys,
they've all got Junoon in them. And they've helped us with...
And incredibly smart too. One is to have the passion.
and they've really... That's what their engagement with us has gone beyond just. It's not a
you
transaction.
have the right family. You've built the right people. around you.
Yes.
Lovely.
And so it really is growing, and this is what we want to build. And apart from our venues, who are also our partners, and now Radio One is our partner too. So it is about building this family.
Just before we go into messages, completely as an aside, what's your son called?
Hamir,
And Hamir, is he going the tiger way or the arts way?
he's a poor fellow. He's got these two crazy, passionate parents, and he's gone and he's found his own passion. And I think it had to do with the fact when he was really, really tiny, and he was going through, they go through this colicky. Your daughter, is she going through colicky stage?
Briefly, but
Did
now,
she?
thankfully
3
now,
months,
yeah.
and crying every evening. And I have this wonderful Italian friend who said, I know the cure for this. And she'd put us into her little polo car and zig us around like a maniac, driving through 100 kilometers an hour. And he'd be silent. So ever since then, his fascination has been cars. And fast cars at that. So he is this obsessed child when it comes to fast cars and sports cars. He knows everything there is to know about cars.
Beautiful. Messages and back. Last leg of conversation with her. Remember, just search for HRISHIKY on Twitter or Facebook. Post out one space you comment and name to 53650. Any questions you have. And of course, there's a Radio 1 Mumbai Facebook page.
94.3 Radio 1.
So obviously a eternal favorite of music manager Kobad Mobajina, Tevin Campbell, keep on pushing. I assure you I will get him into studios very shortly for his anthology on Tevin Campbell. Sanjana Kapoor is in studio. What a wonderful hour I've had hanging with her, talking to her. Okay, now I said this last segment is going to be about you.
Oh, hell.
It's got to be about you.
All right.
And my favorite
I'll be
movie,
brave.
which is Hero Hirala.
Oh, okay.
How beautiful is that?
Oh,
yeah?
really?
And you're also in a kid avatar. I mean, playing yourself.
Thank you.
In 36 Chaurangi Lane.
Yes.
Yeah? Isn't that it? So why did you say no to the movies? I'm sure there are people who are knocking or banging down your door at one point in time saying do more movies, yeah?
No, you know what happened? Hero Hiralal was a flop. So I
Rubbish.
was really happy that nobody saw that movie until
You would-
television discovered it, and then Doordarshan showed it again and again and again and again and again. And that just, traumatized me. No, but Hero Hiralal for me was a big eye-opener because I realized how much I didn't know. And I just had no idea how to work as an actress. And there I was in Madam Nasiruddin Shah, who was just so amazing to watch and to be with on set, because just to understand how he, or to not to try and understand how he worked. And I went to drama school after I saw that film. So I've actually only seen that film once, and from possibly under a table. Very embarrassed.
Well, Samira, your colleague, tells me that, I think it's a fabulous idea. You should have a fundraiser, yeah?
Oh!
Why not?
You are all
I'm
evil.
sure Nasir Saab would be really supportive of that, And
Come and
this
laugh
time-
at Sanjana.
and
Yeah,
this time
sure.
you'll have you-
I don't mind.
This
That'd
time
be
you're in the
great.
front row. You're in the front row. And how's your wonderful father doing?
He's okay.
I see these black and white pictures of him, and I can't help but admire. What a handsome man!
Beautiful.
On your Facebook, on your timeline, and lovely.
He is
And
beautiful.
any stories of you in the wings when all this whole era of theatre that you grew up in, man? I mean, it's so amazing, isn't it?
Unfortunately, both my parents stopped acting when I was born, but of course,
Yeah, I think
saw
Kunal got
my-
to see a lot of those wing things.
They may
Yeah.
have, and I got to see my grandparents. I got to work with my grandparents. I was 12 when I toured with both Jeffrey and Laura. I used to call them Gaga and Gaggy. We toured to 5 schools in Ireland, and I played Titania to my grandfather's paying bottom, and it was wonderful. And he also played Oberon. But that was magical, actually touring with them. And I remember being in the 8th standard And suddenly the pressure of school was getting too much. And we were never an academic family that was, concerned with grades. But I was getting really stressed. And I remember telling my mum, I was in the 7th, I was in the 8th. And and I told my mum, listen, I'm going to fail. And I can't bear repeating a year. So she looked at me dead straight in the eye and she said, so what will you do? And I said, I'll join my grandparents. I'll act with them. And I already had done, earlier. And she said, okay.
Wow.
And can you imagine? I knew that it was okay. So there was a real option for me if I failed. But I didn't fail. But there was hope because I did want to continue because I had a choice that year between economics and art. And I loved my art teacher, Kumi Saud, who's still around. And we are Facebook friends again. And I wanted to do art, and I did, and that was lovely, and I'm glad I did finish school.
Okay, now this is how it's going to work. Erica on Drive Mumbai is going to update you on Mumbai Local's schedule. Other than that, you can go to Facebook, Junoon Theatre. There's an email ID which is mumbailocal@junoontheatre.org, where you can actually, if you want to be a benefactor, you can talk. If you want to just volunteer your services, you can go there. On Twitter, it's @Junoon Theatre, and there's a website which is www.junoontheatre.org. Happy World Theatre Day!
Yes,
Sanjana
to
Kapoor.
you too. It's been wonderful.
So how are you going to celebrate today?
Thank you. I'm actually going to go and see a film on World Theatre Day. I'm going to see Rajat Kapoor's film, Aankho Dekhi. Can you imagine?
But both Sanjay and Rajat are from the theatre.
Exactly.
So
and that's his connection to us.
full
So
power
there
to
we
you.
are.
Thank you for
Thank
stopping
you.
by.
Thank you
for
very
making
much.
my morning. It's PYT, Michael Jackson up ahead, the East India Comedy Boys with a unique brand of humor. There's also a tech review of the Lenovo Carbon laptop that's on Tech Talk. And also how the High Court now says that you cannot build on wetlands. But can we actually execute that? All those questions and more. Don't go anywhere.